Good day, ma'am. We are from NW3A. I am Cedrine Glenn Bautista, and my group members are Francine Alexa Biabanto, Riela Albalgos, and John Rexon A. Campos. And today, we will be presenting our final term MCO. To start, we will display two images. First is at the left side is our initial reference, and at the right side is our 3D model we created in Maya from that reference. We then used our Maya models as a guide when transferring the work into Unreal Engine 5. And here in Unreal, we did not use the old textures because they changed the appearance of the models. And instead, we updated the materials and changed the colors of the walls, cushion, and floor using higher quality textures from this Unreal to better match our original design. And we also added a glowing material on the wall to make the room look more modern. And for the CPU monitor and keyboard, we created material instances so we could easily adjust their colors and settings. Lastly is our three main models. The sword, ergonomic chair, and table were originally made in Maya, but we improved their materials and material instances here in Unreal to make them cleaner and more polished. This project shows how we combined modeling and materials in Unreal to create a clean and visually appealing isometric room. That would be all po. Thank you.